Hey guys, today we are unboxing this pair of headphones. Yeah, headphones. This is the Monsters. It seems like the name is Monster. Yeah, Monster definitely. The Icon ANC wireless headphones. Now these things, they say it's got pure monster sound and noise cancelling, active noise cancelling, and it's Bluetooth. Over here you can see it says pure monster sound, ANC, noise cancelling to let you enjoy music, IPX5, water resistant, and 30 plus hours of playback, I suppose. And then pure monster sound. At the back you can also see it says it's got a carry case and USB charging and whatever. So let's see what's in the box. And it's even Noel Lee, the head monster, signed this box. So this ought to be good, eh? Pure monster sound. So let's get this out of the box and see what you get. Oh, there, I also already cut through that little thing. Let's go on this. Yeah, so this is the Monster box. Yeah, it's got that feeling when you just let go of the box. It's just gonna drop out like. That is a nice unboxing. A nice unboxing feeling. Okay, so just a nice sturdy box which you get it in, and then they come in this carry case. So Monster branded little thing you can maybe attach somewhere, I don't know. It's fairly large case, but I think it's fairly large headphones. So let's get them unzipped. Oh, feels good. And whoa, get a little booklet. Most probably tells you how to pair them and everything. And this is your USB. Let's open this up. Seems like it's USB charging cable. Okay, this bag's never going to be used again. So they've got a Type-C USB charger for the headphones. And this auxiliary, or this jack to jack. So I suppose you can plug them into something and not use them like Bluetooth, but you can also plug them in. So yeah, let's get this out of the box. Okay, it almost looks like you can see the driver through there. Let's get this plastic cover off here. Don't know where you should pull it. Over there. There we go. Ah, okay, that looks better. So yeah, there's the side of the thing. The emblem actually almost looks like Manhattan or something. Icon ANC, pure monster sound. This is very soft. Oh, it says right and left. Yeah, this is going to squeeze your head like mad. It's going to be a very tight fit. I don't know if this should stay in the box or not. Don't suppose you should leave it in there. You can just put it in like that. Yeah, that's a bit better. So yeah, you can actually put it on your head and it swivels back and forth. And oh, it is adjustable. So this just slides out of the top part, and let's get this one also, just pull this off. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's the headphones. Very, very soft, I don't know, cushioning over here, cushioning, and USB Type-C charging. There's your plug, not auxiliary, I think this is just, oh maybe it is, but in any case this is where you plug your phone straight into this thing if your phone's still got a jack. And the ANC button, volume up and down and play, so you can start and stop songs on this. So this can swivel a little bit like this also. Yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I think I should first charge them up, and then we'll see if I can get them to switch on. So let's have a look at how it sits on your head. Okay, oh, it sits nicely, and it sits snug, and it doesn't feel like it's just going to fall off. So okay, so I've got an idea. Maybe, okay, so let's see if we pair them with a phone, if I can maybe place the mic in here and close it up with my hand, and you can maybe hear the sound quality. This is actually the power button. So let's see if we can find a Bluetooth device. Most probably have to hold this down. So it says pairing, Monster Icon. Okay, so it picks it up on the phone as Monster Icon. Paired. Right, so there it's connected and paired. I thought maybe I can do that. Place the mic in there, hold it like this. Oh, maybe, let's try that. That's the Monster headphones unboxed. So if you wanted to know how it looks, that's how it looks, and that's what you get in the box. Thanks for watching.